Hi everyone, today I show you how to boost your Vinted account for free and very easily. Let's go. So now I'll show you how to do. So you have to go on the web, you search for web scraper. Here, this one, you have to click on it. Now you're on this page, you click on install, and once you're here, you will have to click on install. I already installed it because that's why I got this. So now you installed it, and here you have web scraper. You have to click on it to have web scraper here, and now we can start. So you go on Vinted, you click on the right and you click on inspect. Now you got web scraper here, so click on web scraper. I already have a program, I delete it. So we'll do create sitemap. We can call it Vinted. The URL is we'll see for t-shirts. Okay, so sorry for the judgments. Up, page 2. Now you take the link here. Up, Control C, Control V, create sitemap. Now you have to add new selectors. We'll call it profiles. The type is link because we want to click on the profiles. So we do select, and you have to select 2 times to select all. So it's done. You click on multiple, very important, and save selectors. Oh, sorry, you have to do done selecting. Alright, you have now to add a new selector. So you click on this profile, for example, and you have to go to the follow button. So here is a pop-up link because we want to click on it. Oh, the name is follow. So you select follow, done selecting, multiple, and save selectors. Now you go on sitemap Vinted and scrape, and you start scraping. Now a window is open and everything will be automatic. So let's see. By this way, oh sorry, I made a mistake. You have to do here sitemap Vinted, edit metadata. Here you have to put this up from 2 to 50 and you close. Perfect. So now start scraping, sorry. Now the scraper, now the page where it starts and the page where it finish. So it's everything, it's all automatic. So now you will see I win followers, I follow people and they will follow back, I hope. So how many people I'm following automatically? Sorry, go. Close it. Alright, okay. So in In just 1 minute, I follow 8 people. Imagine on these 50 pages, you can follow, I don't know, maybe 1,000 people. A lot of people will be following back to you. So you can very increase your sales. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy and please follow and like. Bye.